Being prepared is essential for winter readiness. As winter approaches, our team at Porsche Centre Kitchener-Waterloo want to share a few tips to help ensure your vehicle is ready to handle any snowstorm this season. First, ensure your battery's charge is at an adequate level. Batteries typically last 3 to 5 years. However, freezing temperatures can put a strain on any vehicle's battery. Our comprehensive battery test ensures your Porsche starts reliably. Second, do you know how much tread depth is needed on your tires for proper traction, both in braking and accelerating with temperatures below 7 degrees? Every millimeter counts in winter, and our winter-ready inspection will provide you with the right tire depth reporting. Third, your brakes are just as important as your tires in winter driving. At Porsche Centre Kitchener-Waterloo, we will inspect your brakes to make sure they're ready for sudden stops on icy roads. Brake corrosion can build up with salt exposure, affecting brake performances, so making sure your brake pads have adequate life going into the winter months is crucial. Fourth, we'll check all your essential fluids, such as brake fluid. Old brake fluid can cause corrosion of internal components such as brake calipers, master cylinder, and brake lines. Let our Porsche certified technicians inspect those important fluids. Lastly, how can we forget about inspecting the wiper blades on your Porsche? Nothing is more frustrating than having to change old wiper blades in negative 10-degree weather. At Porsche Centre Kitchener-Waterloo, our Porsche certified technicians will ensure your vehicle is ready this season. And if your time is limited, our valet drivers are only a call away for a pickup and drop-off service with a loaner car to keep you mobile. Interior and exterior cleaning is also included with every visit. Keep your Porsche winter ready with our expert service. Schedule your appointment today.